It's the road. Like, this is the road?
Oh my gosh, that was scary. It's a pretty road, isn't it, Cody? What if the only way through was through bone-rattling roads and deep water crossings and encounters with dingoes, wild pigs, camels, snakes, the Australian lot. If you haven't heard of the Savannah Way, it's one of Australia's longest and wildest road trips. It's very remote. It covers about 3,700 kilometers from Cairns in Queensland all the way across to Broome in Western Australia. But this is just a section in this video. It's one of the unsealed, challenging sections, and that's why I wanted to share it with you today. It is pretty rough footage because I made this video. I shouldn't say I made this video. I took pictures and videos of things without expecting to start a YouTube channel, so my camera settings aren't quite right. It's a little bit rough, but so was the journey. The journey was a bit rough too. So if you can bear through this video, it was fun and it was challenging and crazy and wild, very, very wild. Because this was a real scary sort of challenge to do myself, I just still wanted to share it regardless of how bad it is. So buckle up, this is gonna get just a little bit bumpy, but come along for the ride. This is true blue Australian adventure. It doesn't get any more Aussie than this. It sort of hugs the Gulf of Carpentaria. Not really, you're far enough inland, but we're following the Gulf of Carpentaria. And the locals actually call it gulp country, not Gulf country, because they are gulping their beers all day, all night, as frequently as possible because it's something cold to drink in the extremely hot part of the country. We drove west from Cairns in Queensland towards Borroloola in the Northern Territory, and the only way you can get there is through the gates of hell. I'm not joking. It's actually called Hell's Gate, and it's an actual place, and it's known for treacherous heat and humidity, and it was an old cattle droving station, but these days it's sort of full of the people who have the funds to fly in by helicopter so they don't have to drive on the corrugated roads. But for me, it was a great place to stop for some fuel and a scone and a cup of tea. Why not? Because it was like an oasis in this rough territory.
water's moving kind of fast to the right. So maybe we should stay, I'd say, just kind of in the middle. Here we go, Cody. Oh, isn't that pretty? Beautiful. But deep.